Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by building a sturdy base because stability prevents glitches later. Place an 8x4x8 chassis part, set anchored true so physics won't toss it. Once done, add a proximity prompt so players can trigger the device. This handles user input cleanly. Also insert a screen GUI for feedback. You want clear status messages. Make sure to name objects logically. Time machine base, trigger prompt, UI status. These names let you reference them in scripts without confusion or errors. Next, you build the logic that moves players. This is the heart of the machine. In a server script, listen for proximity prompt. When activated, play a tween service sequence to fade and shake the chassis for immersion, then set the player humanoid root part C-frame to the chosen destination C-frame. Use a local script to show UI countdown and particle effects, because client-side visuals reduce network lag. Make destination points editable by placing C-frames in a destinations folder. This keeps time targets modular and tweakable. Finish by polishing and testing in a multiplayer session. You need to confirm behavior under real conditions. Add a debounce and a short cooldown so players cannot spam the prompt. This prevents duplicated teleports and index errors. Make sure the humanoid root part exists and that you set network ownership appropriately for moving parts. If something breaks, check object names, ensure critical parts are not anchored when they should move, and verify scripts run on the server versus the client. That usually fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.